Welcome to the heart of pizza innovation, a place where passion meets precision and where a simple combination of flour, water, and yeast is transformed into perfect, melting slices that delight millions every day. This is not just a kitchen, it's a symphony of science, technology, and craftsmanship. Every movement, every machine, every ingredient is meticulously orchestrated to create a pizza that is consistently delicious every single time. From the moment raw materials arrive at the factory, to the moment a golden pizza slice reaches a customer's hands, the journey is remarkable, precise, and fascinating. It all begins with ingredients. At first glance, they seem simple: flour, water, yeast, salt, tomato, cheese, and toppings. But in a modern pizza factory, simplicity is deceiving. Each ingredient is carefully selected and tested for quality. Flour, for instance, is not just any flour. It is a high-protein, finely milled variety that gives dough its elasticity and structure. Water is purified to ensure that every batch of dough has the exact mineral balance needed for proper yeast activation. Yeast, the tiny organism responsible for fermentation, is measured with extreme precision because a slight variance can alter the texture, flavor, or rise of the dough. Salt, though small in quantity, is essential for controlling fermentation and enhancing flavor. Fresh tomatoes are sourced from trusted suppliers, each batch checked for ripeness, color, acidity, and taste. Mozzarella and other cheeses are inspected for moisture content, fat ratio, and melting properties, ensuring the gooey, stretchy topping that defines a great pizza. Once the ingredients are verified, the dough-making process begins. Giant industrial mixers combine flour, water, yeast, and salt. Unlike home kitchens, these mixers are designed for consistency, speed, and precision. Sensors measure every variable, mixing speed, temperature, and duration. The dough is kneaded to develop gluten, the protein network that gives the crust its chewy texture. Kneading is a delicate balance. Too little, and the dough is dense. Too much, and it becomes tough. Modern mixers can knead thousands of kilograms of dough at once, producing a batch that is uniform in texture, elasticity, and moisture. After kneading, the dough enters the fermentation stage. This is where time, temperature, and humidity work together to create flavor and structure. Climate-controlled fermentation rooms maintain precise conditions, allowing yeast to slowly produce gas, alcohol, and acids. These compounds are what give the dough its airy texture, subtle tang, and complex aroma. Fermentation is not rushed. Some pizza dough ferments for hours, even overnight, to achieve the perfect balance of softness and chewiness. Workers constantly monitor the dough, adjusting conditions as necessary, ensuring that each batch rises to perfection. Once the dough has fermented, it is portioned into individual balls. Automated scales weigh each piece to ensure uniformity. Every pizza base must be exactly the same size and weight to guarantee consistent baking. Dough balls are then transferred to shaping machines. Rollers and presses gently stretch and flatten the dough into round bases. These machines mimic the motion of a skilled human hand, creating the ideal thickness and diameter while maintaining the air pockets that give the crust its signature lightness. Precision is key. Even minor inconsistencies can affect cooking time and texture. While the dough is resting, attention turns to the sauce. Fresh tomatoes are washed, peeled, and crushed. They are blended with olive oil, garlic, herbs, and carefully calibrated spices. Large cooking kettles slowly simmer the mixture, concentrating flavors and ensuring a smooth consistency. Each batch of sauce is tasted and tested for acidity, sweetness, and viscosity. The goal is a sauce that spreads evenly across the dough, clings to the toppings, and complements the cheese without overpowering it. Cheese preparation is another critical step. Blocks of mozzarella are shredded and sometimes blended with other cheeses to enhance flavor and melting properties. The shredded cheese is stored in temperature-controlled bins to maintain freshness and prevent clumping. Cheese distribution is measured down to the gram, ensuring that every pizza receives the perfect layer for ideal melting and browning in the oven. Some factories even use specialized automated dispensers to evenly sprinkle cheese across each base, reducing human error and increasing production efficiency. With dough, sauce, and cheese ready, the assembly line comes to life. Conveyor belts transport the dough bases through the production area, where workers or robotic arms spread sauce, sprinkle cheese, and add toppings. Every topping is portioned with precision, ensuring uniformity in taste and appearance. Pepperoni, vegetables, herbs, and specialty ingredients are added according to exact specifications. The assembly process is a delicate dance between speed and accuracy. Automation increases efficiency, but human oversight ensures quality. The line moves swiftly, producing hundreds of pizzas per hour, yet each one is crafted with care. Next comes the baking process, the defining moment of any pizza. Industrial ovens reach temperatures of 400 to 450 degrees Celsius, far hotter than a conventional home oven. Conveyor ovens carry the pizzas through a controlled environment where heat is evenly distributed, cooking the crust to golden perfection and melting the cheese into bubbling, creamy delight. The high temperature ensures a crisp exterior while maintaining a soft, airy interior. Baking time is carefully monitored. Even a few seconds too long or too short can affect texture and flavor. As pizzas emerge from the oven, the aroma of freshly baked dough and melted cheese fills the air, a sensory testament to the precision and care of the process. Quality control continues throughout baking. Samples are regularly taken to check for consistency in crust color, cheese melt, and topping placement. Any pizza that does not meet the exacting standards is set aside. Safety, flavor, and appearance are all paramount. In a modern pizza factory, nothing leaves the line without rigorous inspection. Once baked, the pizzas move to packaging. Automated systems fold boxes, place pizzas inside, and seal them for transport. Labels are applied with information about ingredients, production date, and batch numbers for traceability. Workers double-check packaging to prevent errors, ensuring that every pizza reaching the customer is fresh, safe, and perfectly presented. Temperature-controlled storage areas maintain freshness until distribution. Trucks equipped with refrigeration deliver pizzas to stores, restaurants, and customers, completing the journey from raw ingredients to ready-to-eat perfection. Modern pizza production is a remarkable blend of science, technology, and human skill. It combines the precision of automated machinery with the judgment and care of skilled workers. Every pizza is the result of careful ingredient selection, precise measurements, controlled fermentation, expert assembly, and meticulous baking. This combination ensures that every slice, whether a classic margherita or a loaded specialty pizza, delivers the flavor, texture, and experience customers expect. So, the next time you enjoy a slice of pizza, take a moment to imagine the journey behind it. From raw dough and fresh ingredients, through fermentation rooms, assembly lines, and high-temperature ovens, to careful packaging and delivery, each pizza is a testament to craftsmanship, science, and love for food. It is more than just a meal. It is a carefully orchestrated process that transforms simple ingredients into a universally beloved culinary delight. The story of a modern pizza factory is a story of innovation, dedication, and precision. It reminds us that even the simplest foods, when made with care and attention, can become extraordinary. Technology enhances efficiency, but the human touch ensures quality. Machines speed up processes, but every decision, every inspection, and every careful adjustment contributes to creating the perfect pizza. Through this meticulous process, modern factories can serve millions of people daily, delivering pizzas that are consistently delicious, visually appealing, and safe to eat. From farm-fresh tomatoes to golden, bubbling slices, every step is designed to bring joy to those who enjoy this iconic dish. This is the art and science of pizza making in the modern age, a harmonious blend of ingredients, machinery, and craftsmanship that turns simple raw materials into culinary perfection.